These are notes from L. Ham's Math 120 online at CSM section 1.6. So 1.6, the assignment is on page 54, 1 to 41, every other odd. Every other odd means 1, 5, 9, 13, and so on. You just follow that pattern of you keep after 1, you keep adding 4 to the assignment list. Okay, so here's the first part. I'll be showing some of these problems to you again. Here. 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 And the next page. And that goes up to about 32, so a little bit more. More. 41, I believe. So you should be able to see 41 there now. Okay. The answer is in the back of the book. So it's on 2 pages. So 1.6. You see the very bottom there. Yeah. 1.6. And there's some more on the next page. And there we go. You can see some 1.7 while we're at it, but I'm not doing it now. Okay. All right, so for this one, I have to show you the words as we go along also. Okay, number 1, the sum of a number and 5 is 13. Find the number. So the sum means you're adding them up. So x plus 5 equals 13. Subtract 5, and x is equal to 8. That's all there is to it. Number 5, 5 times the sum, so it's 5 times something. A number and 7 is 30. So 5 times a sum of a number and 7. So that's x plus 7 is 30. So 5 times x plus 7 equals 30. Divide by 5, x plus 7 equals 6. Subtract 7, x equals -1. Number 9, one number is 4 less than 3 times another. So one of them is x. The other one is going to be 3x minus 4. 3 times that number is 3x. 4 less than that is 3x minus 4. So my numbers are x and 3x minus 4. If their sum is increased by 5, the result is 25. Okay, so the sum of these two numbers is that. When you increase it by 5, so 5 plus that, and you come out to be 25. So 5 plus x plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 25. This comes out to be 4x plus 1 equals 25. Subtract 1, 4x equals 24. Divide by 4, x equals 6. So if one number is 6, the other is 3 times 6. 18 minus 4 is 14. So the numbers are 6 and 14. 13. Cody is twice as old as Evan. Cody is twice as old as Evan. 3 years ago, the sum of their ages was 27. Find the age of each boy right now. Okay. So I let x be Evan's age. Cody is twice as old, so 2x would be Cody's age. Then it says something about 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, you subtract 3 from each. So x minus 3 is Evan's age 3 years ago. 2x minus 3 is Cody's age 3 years ago. And it says that sum is 27. Okay, so 3x minus 6 is 27. Add 6. 3x equals 33. Divide by 3. X equals 11. That's an x there. X equals 11. So that means Evan is 11 and Cody is 22. Problem number 21. The perimeter of a square is 36 inches. Find the length of one side. So I've drawn myself a little square. Perimeter is 36. The formula for the perimeter of a square is 4x. Since there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, the property of a square is that they're all equal sides. So 36 equals 4x. Simply divide by 4. So x equals 9 inches. 25. One side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. The third side is 7 feet more than the shortest side. The perimeter is 62 feet. Find all 3 sides. So I'm going to let x be the shortest side. Okay, so another side is 3 times that, so that would be 3x. And the third side would be 7 more than x, or x plus 7. So my setup is like so. X, 3x, and x plus 7. The perimeter is 62, so I add them all up. X plus 7 plus 3x is equal to 62. I made a mistake here. Okay, so x plus 3x, 5x plus 7 equals 62. Subtract 7. 5x equals 55. Divide by 5. X equals 11. Find all the sides. So this is 11. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 plus 7 is 18. So I have 11 feet, 33 feet, and 18 feet are the lengths of the sides. Okay, on the next page, 33. The length of a rectangle is 6 feet more than 3 times the width. Okay. So my setup is, I call the width x. The length is 3x plus 6. Okay, that is the meaning of 6 more than 3 times the width. 3 times the width is 3x, 6 more, 3x plus 6. Perimeter is 36 feet. Okay, so the formula for perimeter is 2L plus 2W, 2 times 3x plus 6, that's the length, plus 2 times the width, 2x, that's equal to 36. Okay, distribute, 36 equals 6x plus 12 plus 2x. Subtract 12 on both sides. 6x plus 2x is 8x equals 24. Divide by 8. X is equal to 3 feet. Plug in 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So the sides are 3 feet and 15 feet. Okay, then 41. The last one I was going to show you. Katie has a collection of nickels, dimes, and quarters with a total value of $4.35. There are 3 more dimes and nickels, 5 more quarters than nickels. How many of each coin is in a collection? Hint that x equals the number of nickels. Okay, so x is the number of nickels. They said that we have 3 more dimes, so x plus 3 is the number of dimes. And they said we have 5 more quarters than nickels, so x plus 5 is the number of quarters. All right, then I multiply each coin by its worth. Every nickel is 5 cents, so 0.05x is the worth of the nickels. The worth of the dimes is 0.10 x plus 3, because every dime is worth 10 cents. And then every quarter is worth 25 cents, 0.25 times x plus 5, and that equals a total amount they said was $4.35. Okay, you could clear the decimals. I was going to do it this time without clearing the decimals, show you what it looks like. So 0.05x plus distribute here, 0.10x plus 0.30. Distribute here, 0.25x plus $1.25 equals $4.35. Okay, combine like terms, that plus that plus that comes out to be 0.40x. That plus that is $1.55. Subtract 155 on both sides. 0.40x equals 280. Divide by 0.40, x equals 7 nickels. So we have 7 nickels. We have 3 more dimes, so that's 10 dimes. And we have 5 more quarters than nickels, so 7 plus 5 is 12. So we have 7 nickels, 10 dimes, 12 quarters. A double check, 7 nickels is 35 cents. 10 dimes is $1. 12 quarters is $3. Add them up, it is $4.35, which it was supposed to be. Okay. All right, so these are notes from Mel Han's Math 120 Online, section 1.5.